So we have a kitten. This is little Rascal. Of course, we turn on the camera and he doesn't do anything. Except hiccup. Hiccup. And we have our big cat.
We still have Ninja. And
Our other cat, Smokey.
he isn't here right now. He's gone at least for a while. And then we have this outside cat
Who's not here right now.
who's not here right now. He comes over and he comes to ask for food. We come over and give him food. Aren't our cats cute? Isn't the kitten cute?
Okay.